Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering everything on. Make sure the DVD player and TV are plugged in and running. You also need fresh batteries in the universal remote because inconsistent power causes code learning errors. Once done, find the DVD player brand or model printed on the unit. This helps you pick the correct code. Place the remote close to the player, within 1 to 3 feet, so infrared signals are strong. Now you're ready to enter programming mode and send codes to the player. Next, enter the remote's programming routine. Press and hold the code search or setup button until the indicator light stays on, because that tells you the remote is listening. Then enter the manufacturer code from the list. Test with power and play to confirm control. If the listed codes don't work, use the auto search feature. The remote will cycle through codes and stop when the DVD responds. Make sure to press the confirmation button to lock in the working code, otherwise it will revert. To finish, verify the DVD responds to core controls. Play, stop, pause, menu, and power. This ensures full compatibility. If a function is missing, re-enter programming or try alternate device-specific codes. Some features map differently across brands. Make sure the remote is set to the correct device mode DVD versus TV, so signals route correctly. One key troubleshooting tip: if things still fail, replace batteries and confirm a clear line of sight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.